Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental controls on ZTE Blade A75. So you have to start by opening your settings application, then scroll down and click on Google. Now click on all services and then you have to scroll down and you have to find parental controls. Then click let's do this and click sign in. Now you have to select Google. And here you have to enter your lock screen pattern. Now you have to enter your child's email address. Then click next. And now you have to enter your child password. Then click I agree. Now scroll down and click accept. Then click on supervise and click on next. And here you have to enter your parent email address. Then click next. And here you have to enter your password. Now you have to scroll all the way down and here you have to enter your child password again. And then you have to click next and click allow. Now you have to scroll down and click next and click done. And as you can see, my parental controls are now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.